Yeah, it looks fine.
All right. Good morning, everybody. How are we doing today? So good to see everybody. So my name is Jennifer, and today is a new month. Woo! Does anybody know what month it is starting today? Yesterday was September 30th. So today is, any guesses? Today is October 1st. Woo! We're starting a new month today. Woo! And does anybody know the day of the week? Yesterday was Wednesday. Good job. Today is Thursday. Good job. So since today is Thursday, what is tomorrow? Good job. Tomorrow is Friday. All right. Has anybody looked out of the window today to see what the weather is like? Does anybody know what the weather's like today? What's that? It is. Today is sunny. It's nice and sunny out. All right, I'm going to put these up on the board. So we said today is Thursday. The weather is sunny. Tomorrow is Friday. And today is October 1st. Woo! All right. The national day today is National Homemade Cookie Day. How many people like cookies?
Me!
I do. I love cookies.
Me!
I love cookies. All right, we're going to learn the sign language for cookies. You put your hand out. Everybody do it with me.
Oh, Karen already.
Yeah. Good job, Karen. And make a cookie. Good job. Good job, Shore. Good job. So you put your hand out. Your other hand comes out in like a C. And then you just turn it like a cookie. Good job. All right, now Rajay is gonna come do some fun movement for you guys. Welcome, Rajay.
Hey you guys, today we're gonna be using our movement dice. And I'm gonna have Jennifer assisting me.
All right, you guys ready?
Let's have everyone stand up and get ready to move around.
Let's move around, stand up. Good job. Stand up, Colonial. Stand up, Kings. Good job. Everybody get up. Get ready to move. Okay. So the first one is...
You're not in it.
We got blue. So for blue, we're gonna do a disco dance.
Woo! Disco dance.
So for the disco dance, you want to point up and then point down across your body. Good job, you guys. Up and down. Up
Good job.
and down.
Good
Up
job, Shore.
and down.
Good morning from Segovia.
Hey, Segovia. Up and down. Two more. One. Good. And last one. Great job, everyone.
Woo! Now we're gonna toss the dice again. Woo! Sorry.
We got purple. So for purple, we're gonna pretend that we're drumming. So get your hands ready and drum. Up and down. Drum.
Good job. Good job, everybody.
Up and down.
Good job, Shore. Good job, Kings. Colonial.
Segovia, woo! You're doing it.
Good job.
Let's try to go a little faster. Good job, everybody. As fast as you can. Woo! All right. Next color.
All right, everybody ready?
We got orange. So for orange, we're going to shake our shoulders. Up and down, side to side.
Move your shoulders, everybody. Good job. Good job. Wiggle those shoulders.
Are you moving your shoulders, Segovia? Are you moving your shoulders, Passetti?
For a couple more seconds.
Good job. Good job.
Great job, you guys.
Everybody ready? And okay.
Yellow. For yellow, we're going to tap our feet. Go ahead and tap your feet, Jen.
So tap your feet. Good job. Good job. Tap our feet up and down. Good. Get those ankles moving and warmed up. All right. Tap.
Okay, for the next color. Green. So for green, we're gonna raise the roof. Hands in the air.
Raise the roof. Woo! Raise the roof.
The roof is on fire.
Good job, everybody. Awesome.
We're gonna do 5 more of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job, you guys.
Good job.
Let's go with green. So for green, we're going to sleepwalk.
Like a zombie. Ooh. Good job.
Good job, Kings. Good job, Colonial. I see you, Carrie.
Good job.
Great job, Jessica.
Awesome. Good
job, Carrie.
participation, guys. Ooh.
Good job, everybody.
Good.
So that is the end of our activity for today.
And next, Alyssa is going to join us because guess what today is? It's Science Thursday! Woo! So Alyssa's here in her fancy science lab coat to do an experiment.
Hey guys, happy Science Thursday. I'm here in my lab coat for Science Thursday. And today's activity is a lemon volcano. So the things we're gonna need for a lemon volcano are lemons. They're cut in half. And I'm gonna need food coloring. I have red and green. And I'm gonna need popsicle stick and baking powder. You might use that to make cupcakes and things like that. What is it? Can you hold it below me? Yeah. Great. All right. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we cut our lemons in half. I already did that. Next, I want to take my popsicle stick and I'm gonna poke holes in my lemon. Get nice, lots of holes in there. It's pretty juicy lemon, you guys. It smells really good. All right, I got some holes in my lemon. Next, I'm gonna put food coloring in it.
What color food coloring is that, Alyssa?
This one is green. All right, I'm gonna put the food coloring in the lemon. Oh no, I need a paper towel. And then we're gonna put red in this one.
Ooh, Christmas colors.
There's some red food coloring. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna wash off my hand. After this experiment, I'm gonna have to go in the bathroom and wash my hands. Really good. Oh, look at it. Uh-oh, my hand's green. Okay, that's pretty funny. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead like this so you can see the lemons in the dish. You might be able to see my other computer. Here we go. I'll move forward a little. There, perfect. All right. Okay, so next I'm gonna take some dish soap. I forgot to tell you about my dish soap. All right, so I gotta put the dish soap on top of my lemon. I got one on my green and one on my red.
Wow.
And next I gotta take some baking soda.
Everybody watching?
And this is the best part. So let's pull it up a little closer, Jennifer. Uh-oh, they keep sliding. Here, I'll do one at a time so you can see it. I'm gonna take a little bit of baking soda on my, and watch what happens. Here it comes. It should fizz.
Oh, wow. Can everybody see that?
It's fizzing.
Oh, my goodness. Whoa.
It's a lemon volcano.
Oh, my goodness. Wow.
All right, let's do the red one. How about that? All right. Whose favorite color is red? Oh, that's great. Well, you're going to like this one then, Carrie. All right, here we go. You like red too?
Everybody watching? Whoa.
There it goes.
That looks even more like a volcano because it's red, huh?
Whoa.
Oh
Woohoo.
my gosh.
These fizzing volcanoes. Now look at this. It looks like Christmas colors in there. Oh my goodness, I made a mess. Good thing I had this. All right, everybody. Those were our lemon volcanoes for this Science Thursday, and now I've got red and green fingers, so I'm going to have to go to the bathroom and sing happy birthday 2 times so I can wash my hands for a long enough time. All right, guys. Next Thursday, we'll do another experiment. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And now Jennifer's going to tell you about our next videos.
All right, so everybody, we have some new videos coming up today. We have our garden update. So Jennifer and Sally are going to show us how our garden is looking. Next, we have an ABC scavenger hunt with Alyssa.
It can be inside or outside.
It can be inside or outside. And we have the video, The Can't Stop the Feeling with Rajay. So we have 3 cool videos for you guys today. Thank you for signing in and participating. We did an awesome job with movement. I saw everybody participating and moving around so much, okay? Thank you so much. Happy Thursday.
Here, I'll let you guys.